So I bought a new Bluetooth speaker from Walmart. My daughter made a mistake, and you're about to find out. Welcome back, I am RPM Nexus, and in today's video we're going to be looking at another Blackweb speaker. This thing is super cool and super affordable. And speaking of affordable, right now you can pick it up from Walmart for less than 40 bucks. And if you don't have a Walmart locally, all you have to do is go to walmart.com and you should be able to locate it. So let's go ahead, let's jump into all the really fun facts about this speaker, and I will also tell you what my daughter did wrong that may interest you. Okay, let's take a look at this Blackweb rugged premium Bluetooth speaker. This thing is super clean. You can tell from the front of it, it's got the mesh, it's got the IPX5, which is splash proof, so that it can take a jet stream or rain or sit next to a shower, stuff like that. But you cannot take this thing in the shower or in the pool because it will do a little bit of damage to it. But over time, once it dries out, it'll be fine. I did do a live test on another rugged speaker, which you can take a look at this, and it's the smaller one, which that one is almost 100% waterproof, which is really good. A buddy of mine I gave it to is still using it and it's still working, so check that video out if you want to. On the top of it, as you can see, you have the power button, the volume keys, and as well as the play and pause, and as well as the Bluetooth connector, which is really cool. So if you're not able to pair it like it's normally supposed to do, you just hit the pair key and then you'll be able to pair it up with your Bluetooth device within your mobile devices. And on top of that, it has like a 2-hour charge time, which will give you at least a 10-hour playtime, so you're able to listen to music for 10 hours. And then on top of that, it has some really cool portable accessories to it. You got this little D-ring right here, or you can buy your own accessory and clip it on there. It could go in your backpack, it could go on your pockets, it could go anywhere you go with. And on top of that, it has like the bass quality, the sound quality to the speaker is really nice. It sounds awesome. When I was listening to it, I was listening to many different types of genres, rock, rap, alternative, heavy metal, different type of stuff to make sure it sounds good, and it definitely lived up to the expectations. And I enjoy this right here, and it's a really good speaker. And then on top of that, you have the phone call, which is not that bad. It's really clean, it sounds clear, and you ain't got to worry about the drop calls or anything like that within the phone. Then the latency is got a really long latency between it, so you're not worried about the drop calls or the drop in music, because I had it in my phone in the living room, and my daughter had the Bluetooth speaker in the bathroom with her taking a shower, and there was no latency because the door is closed, and you could definitely still hear the music going, which is really cool on that aspect of it. So let's go ahead, let's jump into all the negatives on this, which is not that many negatives, and it's going to be kind of a short video today. Let's go ahead, let's get into the negatives. Okay, the only negatives that I've seen about this speaker is the interference between the Bluetooth antenna and the mobile device antennas. When I usually have it sitting just like this and the phone is constantly playing YouTube, I noticed how it's like kind of buffering the video, and that's because of the interference with the antennas. You may say it's not the antenna's problem, it's YouTube, but it's not, when this could be sitting in the bathroom and my phone could be sitting out here in the living room and the doors are closed and there's no interference. And the only time when I really get the interference between these two is when the device is sitting on top of each other. So definitely don't sit on top of each other. And then on top of that, do not get this wet. This is not waterproof. My daughter found out the other day that it's not waterproof, so definitely do not put it like in the shower or somewhere that's close where this thing is going to get bombarded with a bunch of water. So I recommend not doing that. Okay, as far as my final thoughts on the speaker, I love everything about it. It's affordable, it's splash proof, it's portable, so I can take it anywhere I wanted to go. The sound is awesome, the phone call quality is awesome. It's everything that you need in a speaker, and you could definitely get this speaker on a tight budget. So if you want this, I recommend walmart.com or your local Walmart. And as far as star quality, I'm going to give it a 4-star quality because I love it, and I know you will. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the subscribe circle, and as well check out these 2 videos right here. I can never get that right. But anyways, guys, I would definitely check you out in the next video. Peace.